Magnolia trees are icons of elegance, celebrated for their stunning flowers and glossy foliage. Whether you're an experienced gardener or just starting out, magnolias can transform your landscape with their timeless beauty. Let's dive into the essentials of growing and caring for these magnificent trees. Magnolias come in a wide variety of species, each offering something unique. From the grand southern magnolia with its large, fragrant blooms to the delicate star magnolia and the striking saucer magnolia, there's a magnolia to suit every garden. Planting your magnolia in the right spot is key. These trees thrive in well-drained soil enriched with organic matter. Select a location that offers full sun to partial shade, with ample room for the tree to grow. Dig a hole twice as wide as the root ball, ensuring it's not too deep. Place the tree so that the top of the root ball is level with the soil surface. Backfill with a mix of soil and compost and water thoroughly. Mulching around the base will help retain moisture. Chapter 4. Watering and fertilizing your magnolia. Consistent watering is crucial, especially in the first few years. Magnolias prefer moist soil but avoid waterlogging. Fertilize in early spring with a balanced, slow-release fertilizer to support healthy growth. Chapter 5. Pruning and maintenance. Pruning your magnolia is essential but should be done with care. Light pruning in late winter or early spring helps maintain the tree's shape and remove any dead or damaged branches. Avoid over-pruning as it can stress the tree. Chapter 6. Magnolia trees in landscape design. Magnolias are versatile and can enhance any landscape. Whether as a focal point in a formal garden or a naturalistic addition to a woodland setting, their year-round appeal makes them a valuable asset. Chapter 7. Magnolia trees and wildlife. Magnolia trees aren't just beautiful, they're beneficial for wildlife too. Their large, fragrant flowers attract pollinators like bees and butterflies, making them an important part of your garden's ecosystem. Chapter 8. Managing magnolia pests and diseases. Magnolias can face challenges like pests and diseases. Regular monitoring and prompt action can help keep these issues under control, ensuring your tree remains healthy. Chapter 9. The long-term benefits of magnolias. With proper care, magnolia trees can become a cherished part of your garden, offering beauty, shade, and a connection to nature that will be enjoyed for generations. Chapter 10. Conclusion. Magnolias can transform any garden into a haven of beauty. Embrace the elegance and charm of these timeless trees in your own backyard.